Hey folks, happy Tuesday. Brandon here, Southern Star Roofing. We're down here, these are called Raintree patio homes down here in South Charlotte. We are doing, this one's about 7,000 square feet of roofing shingles. We're installing a Certainty Lifetime Architectural in the Moray Black color. It's gonna match the black shutters on the house, or on the townhome rather. Let me show you guys what we have going today. So, again, this is about 70 squares. It's a townhome, Raintree down here in South Charlotte. Just wanted to say hello. Hope everyone's day is going well. If you ever need us for any roofing or gutter needs, 704-YES-ROOF, or you can find us online at www.southernstarroofing.com. Have a blessed night. Thanks so much. Goodbye.